To change the order of products in your Shopify store, you can follow these steps. Access your Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Products section in the admin dashboard. Select Products. Click on the Products tab to view all the products listed in your store. Adjust product order. To change the order of products, you have two main options. Manual sorting. By default, Shopify allows you to manually drag and drop products to rearrange their order. Simply click and hold the product you want to move, then drag it to the desired position in the list. Sort products. Alternatively, you can use the sort feature to organize products based on specific criteria, such as title, vendor, price, or date added. Click on the sort drop-down menu and select your preferred sorting option. Save changes. Once you have adjusted the product order to your liking, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save or Save Order button. Preview changes. It's a good practice to preview your storefront after making changes to ensure that the product order appears as intended.